From the soil of the earth to your plate, have you ever seen the incredible journey of Jew Jalebi?
Every batch of Jew Jalebi begins with pure sweetness, fresh sugarcane harvested at peak ripeness. Speed matters because Jeeton Jalebi depends on fresh cane reaching the mill fast. This extracted juice becomes the soul of Jeeton Jalebi. Clean, concentrated sweetness. Clarification refines the syrup that will glaze every curl of Jeeton Jalebi. Texture begins here. Fine flour is essential for perfect Jeeton Jalebi spirals. Exact ratios keep Jew Jalebi consistent, batch after batch.
Fermentation awakens the batter that defines Jeeton Jalebi's light bite.
Before frying, automation is tuned because Jeeton Jalebi demands precision.
Temperature control is critical for Jeeton Jalebi's signature crunch.
All systems lock in, setting the stage for flawless Jeeton Jalebi production. This final rest perfects the batter, giving Jeeton Jalebi its signature airy structure.
Consistency is tested to ensure every Jeeton Jalebi flows flawlessly.
This is where automation takes over, powering Jeeton Jalebi machines.
Perfect spirals demand perfect nozzles for uniform Jeeton Jalebi.
Heat mapping ensures even frying of every Jeeton Jalebi loop.
This is the birth moment. Raw batter becomes Jeeton Jalebi.
Automation keeps rhythm, so every Jeeton Jalebi cooks evenly.
Real-time vision systems protect the crunch of Jeeton Jalebi.
Timing the lift locks in the perfect bite of Jew Jalebi. Now, the final sweetness awaits. Jeeton Jalebi moves toward its syrup embrace. Perfect absorption begins with precise syrup heat, crucial for Jeeton Jalebi. Balanced sweetness ensures Jeeton Jalebi shines, never too heavy, never too light. Slow rotation guarantees every curve of Jeeton Jalebi is evenly glazed. Timing is everything. Seconds to soothe the soul of Jeeton Jalebi. The lift seals flavor inside every Jeeton Jalebi. Controlled draining keeps Jeeton Jalebi glossy, not soggy. Cooling locks the texture of Jeeton Jalebi at its peak. Only flawless spirals eat the name Jeepo Jalebi. Smart feedback keeps Jeeton Jalebi consistent, batch after batch. Now perfected, Jeeton Jalebi moves forward to the heart of the main line. This tunnel stabilizes Jeeton Jalebi before final processing. Balanced airflow perfects the surface of Jeeton Jalebi, shine without stickiness.
Moisture control protects the bite of Jeeton Jalebi.
Even handling keeps Jeeton Jalebi perfectly shaped. Thermal balance locks in flavor for Jeeton Jalebi.
Human eyes still matter in crafting Jeeton Jalebi.
Clean edges define premium Jeeton Jalebi.
Uniform weight ensures fair value in every Jeetong Jalebi pack.
Automation fine-tunes the final moments of Zino Jalebi production.
Next stop, final quality assurance for Jeetong Jalebi. The final test begins, protecting the promise of Jew Jalebi. Crunch and resilience define great Jeetong Jalebi. The aroma signature confirms authentic Jeetong Jalebi.
Only perfect spirals pass as Judo Jalebi.
Final cooling preserves freshness in Jeetong Jalebi. Hygiene safeguards every June Jalebi. Perfect alignment prepares Jiain Jalebi for packing.
Every Jeetong Jalebi is fully traceable.
Approved and ready. Jeetong Jalebi moves to packing.
The final stage awaits, bringing automatic Jalebi to the world. Automation protects the delicate form of Jeetong Jalebi. Freshness is locked in, extending the life of June Jalebi. Every pack proudly carries the name Jiva Jalebi.
Careful boxing protects June Jalebi in transit.
Accuracy ensures trust in every Jeetong Jalebi shipment.
Smart logistics move Jio Jalebi efficiently.
Organized palletizing speeds delivery of Jeetong Jalebi.
From factory floor to storage, Jeetong Jalebi is ready to ship.
Now, Jeetong Jalebi begins its journey to customers.
Fresh, perfect and ready, Jeetong Jalebi arrives.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of Guru Jalebi. If you enjoyed this factory tour, please subscribe to our channel for more industrial wonders.